The frost glows white in the playground tonight. Soon footprints will be seen. We've been in isolation, weeks and weeks of quarantine. The sound of children laughing, happy to be outside. Couldn't keep them in, heaven knows we tried. Should I keep them home? Should I send them back? Is it safe enough with the COVID app? With me, the dog, the cat, the spouse. Too many in this house. Let them go, let them go. Just shove them out the door. Let us go, let us go. Shut the laptop, close the door. School bag filled, it's school today. Let the school resume. I don't want to teach anyway. It's funny how some formulas make no sense after all. And some subjects have changed a lot since I sat in that hall. It's time to dress, untie my shoes, brush my teeth, now that will do. All done, I wave, it's school for me, we're free. So ScoMo says let's go. Andrew Barr and he both cry. Let them go, I am low. Not enough grunt and now Wi-Fi. Lessons planned and teachers paid. Let debate rage on. Remember calculus, verbs, grammar, or nouns. Homeschool is spiraling, irrational fractions all around. And no thought crystallizes, what is Pythagoras? I need to get school back, I cannot wait for class. Does it show if I study till the break of dawn? Let them go, make them go. My knowledge has all gone. Try to teach my kids all day. Let the school go on. COVID never bothered me anyway.